In a powerful and controversial moment, Julius Malema questions legal representatives for calling each other learned friends while failing to produce a judgment. Malema's bold statement, "What did you learn? The law is there," has sparked national debate across South Africa about competence, legal ethics and political accountability.
For corruption, now we have a proof that judges can be corrupt. Why are these judges so scared of Cyril Ramaphosa? What will take educated judges to take more than a year? When they address each other, they say, a learned friend, a learned friend. Learned, you can't produce a judgment. What did you learn? Because the law is there. The role of the judge is not to write the law, is to interpret the existing law and make a judgment. How can it take 11 judges of the Constitutional Court to produce a single judgment? What is worrisome is that cases that came after our case on Phala-Phala, they have already made judgments on cases that came after us. But Phala-Phala is a difficult case. We need to tell the Chief Justice that for as long as Phala-Phala is not released, every month we are going to come here to make a picket in demand of the release of the Phala-Phala.